Mae Ioan ar gael bob awr o'r dydd a'r nos fe ymddengys i roi gwersi unigol ychwanegol. Swats heddi yw Josie a Helen.
Now, my problems, apart from having major problems with everything, is my pronunciation.
Even though I'm really enjoying the class, Joanne, and I feel like I'm getting on okay, I can slip behind when it comes to reading it because I don't understand the difference in pronunciation in the alphabet and in vowel sounds.
I have to have help with the ch and the v and the f and the f and the f.
Fill me in, brother.
In Welsh, we've got A, E, I, O, I, U, Those are the vowels. Llan.
Clan.
And that, because we know this is an sound.
Oh, yeah, word.
So it's Llanwern.
Wern.
Llanwern. We have the double D. The double D is the this and that.
So that's completely different.
The.
Like the and this, as you've written.
And this, yeah. Okay, so you take a
this
word
is good,
like...
This is good.
The I in Cymraeg it can be an I or an E sound. If we take this word gwyn. Gwyn, which is wine. Gwyn, like God Save the Queen.
Yeah.
And you had it in Dwi'n, do, Dwi'n, byw, dwi. Say Syddoren.
Syddoren.
That was perfect.
Okay.
Syddoren. You couldn't go into a bar now.
I could. Well, I'd need some vodka in it.
Yeah, well, popeth. Popeth means everything. Popeth, like Popeye, Popeth.
I'm going big on the whole comprehension preceding production thing. So in terms of trying to understand it and speak it, I have to know this. So this is going to help with my confidence.
A word like D.
D.
Right? In North Wales they would say D, but in South Wales it's D.
D. So whenever you see a U or an I, pronounce it as E.
Yes.
And we're laughing.
Yeah, okay. That word there is pronounced Avon.
Avon. So it's a V.
It's like the river.
One F is V. The lack of confidence I have in reading words, every time I stumble, I go, oh no, I know I don't know that. Like if I see a CH or a two Ds, I know I don't know it. So I'm finding this extremely useful. Plus, it's nice to get them all to myself because it's like I'm having to share with all those swats. It's annoying me now.
Say the word sieg.
Sieg.
And let's say sich.
Sich.
Right, got it. If you look at the word like ysbyty, the last Y in the word ysbyty is pronounced as E, but all the previous Ys are pronounced as So if you get hit in the stomach, you go So
ysbyty.
So you have a word like llechi, which means slates. Llechi. Damn.
This is the sort of stuff where once you know it, you can actually help yourself. But until you know it, you'll be mispronouncing it and getting it wrong. And you don't want to learn bad habits early on. So, because I've done that before. And so I'm trying to get it right first time.
Llan.
Clan.
Pen.
Gwyn.
Popeth.
D.
Sŵn.
Dyn.
Dyn. Ysbyty.
Ysbyty.
Da iawn, ardderchog.